This is Roger with Destinations by Del Castillo. I am downtown Wichita, Kansas at the AC Marriott Hotel. And March 6th, 2026. It's a new hotel. It just opened up in July of 2025. So I'm in room 914. It is a king room city view. So let's take a look at it. As you enter the room, you will notice off to the left that there are two light switches. You will need to turn the master on to supply power to all the lighting in the room. So if that is not on, nothing is going to turn on for you. So let's go into the room. Off to the left is going to be the bathroom. It's a good basic bathroom, decent size, good size vanity. You're gonna have your towels down below. Of course, they supply you with your hair dryer. You got a little makeup mirror, magnified, some outlets, and then you're gonna have your full shower off to the side here. You're gonna have your power and temp control off to the left, and that's gonna be your diverter for if you want to use the shower head above, or if you want to use the wand below. So. Going to come with you, of course, shower gel, shampoo, and conditioner. A little tray off to the side if you need to put anything up there, and you do have a little towel hanger inside the shower. For the door, you just have the kind of like that's going to be your door for the bathroom for somewhat privacy while you're in there. On to the right, you're going to have your coffee maker, ice bucket. There's going to be some extra blankets for the pull-out couch. Hanging area here with the iron and an ironing board. We'll have a little mini fridge for you to use. A couple of waters were supplied here for us by the hotel. A couple of glasses and two drawers. Not a lot of storage in this room. That is actually really the only storage you have are going to be those two drawers and your hanging space there. If you need more hangers, just let them know at the desk. Let's go to the bedroom area, get a quick view. I have the bed off to the right, little seating area with the pull-out couch straight ahead, a little desk area with the TV off to your left, a little bench area where you can sit down or place your luggage for you to unpack and stuff. Your climate control is going to be here off to the right just as you come into the living area. They're going to have outlets, of course, and they will have USB ports too, USB-C and your standard USB ports. So those are going to be available for you to charge your devices. They are also available on both sides of the bed. There is a light switch. That light switch there controls what they call night light, which if you look up towards the top, it's going to be your ambient lighting around the windows and down the hallway. So let's take a quick view. You got two big windows here. I'll take a quick view outside. Again, this is going to be downtown Wichita. We are at the corner of Douglas and Broadway. Easiest way to get to the hotel is off of Douglas Street. That way you just pull right into where you're parking and valet. It is valet parking only. I believe it's running 22 a night. So, as I mentioned, this is Roger with Destinations by Del Castillo. If you guys have any questions about staying down in Wichita, or we have some places up in Kansas City and around all over the place where we like to stay, just let us know down below. Any questions? We always try to answer those. If you haven't joined our channel, please like and subscribe. Tell your friends, and safe travels. Thank you.